Alright, so what's good YouTube, man? It's your boy FX here and I'm back with another video, bro. So today's Thursday, right? Took this beautiful demand trade today, bro. I mean, look at this shit. Look at that, bro. Look at the risk to reward. Look at the risk to reward that I could have caught. I mean, I didn't catch the whole move. I caught a nice 1 to 3. That was it, right? I took a trade Monday, didn't win, took a L pretty much. Tuesday didn't see any good trades. I don't trade on Wednesday, which was yesterday. So we came back today, which is Thursday, man, and got this beautiful trade, this beautiful demand, man. I mean, everything was looking good. A higher time frame was definitely was bearish. So I definitely wanted to. I mean, the thing is, look at it. Look at this. Overall, yes. I mean, the market was going up. I mean, if you look at right here, this whole thing here, everything here, this is bullish. Market is going up. But at this certain point right here, we had a double bottom. Price failed to break its high here, and we were breaking lows. So if anytime the market is breaking lows, that means there's sellers in the market, right? So that was another reason as to why I took sell, because the most recent time frame or the most recent price action is bearish. And as scalpers, I tell people this all the time, bro. You want to always move with the most recent price action. That is the most important thing. And even on the 5 minutes time frame, bro, like the market was pretty much bearish. All right, so say, come on, yeah, like y'all know the strategy, man. Like I don't need to go over this shit every time, man. This was a trade that I took on Monday here. Um, right here actually, as you can see. Small dub, was trying to go for a 1-to-1, but stop loss got hit, which is cool. That's a part of the game. I tell people this all the time, bro. Like, you're not gonna win all your trades, man. I tell you guys this all the time. Learning how to accept losses is going to better your game in trading, bro. Like, you just gotta become numb to that shit. I mean, when I was losing, when I was in my journey, when I was trying to become profitable and I was losing trades, yeah, that was tough, and it annoyed the shit out of me because I wanted to be winning trades. But I just stayed in the game. I didn't quit. And over time, you become numb to losing. Like, it's like nothing at this point. And that's the point that you, as a trader, need to be at if you want to level up your game in this trading shit. Honestly, like, you just got to do it for the long game, bro. Get used to the L's and tweak your strategy. Learn how to lower your losses and allow the wins to get big. That's just really it. Stay consistent, not taking too much trades, 1 to 2 trades per day, and that's really it. Yeah, nice demand, bro. If you guys know the strategy, so we took a demand. So obviously, we're looking for aggressive selling. We have aggressive selling coming out of our zone right here. Break the we break the structure. We gotta break a structure. So that's also good. Whenever you see prices breaking structures, it means if it's breaking structure to the downside, there's a lot of sellers. If it's breaking structure to the upside, there's a lot of buyers. And in this particular situation, we were breaking structures to the downside. That simply means there's a lot of sellers. All I did at that point, let me remove this here, waited for price to come back to my zone. As you can see, we had a gap, and all I did was just waited for price to come back to my demand zone, and I got in on a aggressive entry. I didn't wait for the breaker candle entry, bro, because one, this candlestick was just too big right here, and I didn't want to wait for price to come all the way down here to break this candlestick here. So I took the sell somewhere right here, got in there, stop loss above the zone. Whenever I go for candle break entries, I like to put my stop loss above the zone just to be a little bit more safe. Aim for the 1 to 3. We always leave a runner, bro. So I left a runner, right? Left a runner. Go for 1 to 1 always, secure that 1 to 1 profit, and then we leave that runner to secure more pips. And doing that, I I mean, it's more secure because you don't want to always like you always want to take money off the table, bro. Like you don't want to have like this. You don't want to be going for like a 1 to 3, not taking any profits off the table. Price end up reversing, and then You basically lose money because you did have to pay money in spreads regardless. Like every time you open a trade, you're going to lose some money. It's maybe in being spreads, maybe being commission, or you just lose the trade. But if you get out of the trade at a break even, meaning you put your stop loss right here at break even before price came back and past the point that you entered at and then hit stop loss. Right? You don't want to do that, bro. You get what I'm saying? You want to always like secure one on ones. Sometimes I just go for one on ones, bro. Like if the market doesn't give me a runner, I just take my one on ones and I call it a day and leave. Simple. All right. So I mean that was really it, bro. Didn't see much of the setups. Let me check. GBP, JPY. Yeah, we didn't have much setups, man, this morning. Uh, this is a cool setup right here. Could have taken that, but price didn't. I mean, price did come back here, but Azon got blasted. USD JPY. There was definitely some setups on USD JPY this morning too. Nothing early on though. And there was a setup right here at around 8:35, and this was a cool setup too, to be honest. I mean, let me see. Definitely was a good setup. I didn't see that though. If you look right here, boom, nice. Demand there. Price came in and demand. So we had some good setups today overall. Thursday, man, that's beautiful. This one right here, also a setup too. And this right here is a setup. Like there was just hella setups today, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. But we I love GBP USD, man. I've been trading this shit for years and always treats me good. So I'm always gonna prioritize taking trades on GBP USD, to be honest. You know. But I mean shit. Let me go back and replay for a little bit. Y'all can see how this shit moved amazingly. Alright, so look at this. Boom. I'm gonna show you guys what happened. Boom. Boom. Look at that. Instant rejection, gang. Instant. And y'all trying to tell me that supply and demand is not the fucking way, bro. Like, I tell people this all the time, gang. Stop sleeping on supply and demand, bro. Like, this is a cold ass strategy. Like, if you guys don't believe me, backtest this shit. Like, just watch my videos. The persons who catch on already, or if you haven't catch on, like, it's not hard to see what's going on here. Like, you get what I'm saying? If there's persons who's watching and you still don't really understand supply and demand, just leave a comment in the comment section and I'll make a dedicated video explaining how to trade supply and demands, how to identify the patterns, how to identify gaps, what setups to take, what are high probability setups, what are low probability setups. There's a lot, man. There's a lot to learn. But yeah, that was an overall a wonderful trade. Look at that, man. Nice. But that's it for the trade, gang. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and share. Peace and love. I'm out. I got a flu or a cold a few days ago. It's kind of going away. So, I may sound a little bit stuffy or, a little congested, but I'm cool. Peace and love, brother. I'm out.